Welcome to Top 5 Ethiopia. Are you living in Ethiopia and looking for ways to boost your income without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 methods to make money online in Ethiopia. Get ready to explore a world of potential earnings and flexible work right from your laptop or mobile phone. But before we jump in, make sure to tap that like button and hit subscribe to stay tuned for more valuable insights. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Number 5. Making YouTube videos. YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a gateway to earning money from the comfort of your home in Ethiopia. Imagine creating and uploading engaging videos and turning that into a source of income. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Your smartphone can be your launchpad. Learn some tricks online to shoot high-quality videos and get started. The magic happens when you apply for Google AdSense using your Gmail account. This allows you to display ads on your videos. As viewers engage with these ads, you start earning. Now, here's the best part. Your earnings on YouTube are driven by your dedication and creativity. Charisma and likability are bonuses, especially if you're on camera. Believe it or not, some creators rake in significant money simply because they have great ideas and a captivating presence. As your viewership grows, consider investing in better equipment like microphone systems or drone cameras. It's a journey that begins with your passion and has the potential to lead to substantial rewards. Number 4. Writing and publishing books. If writing has always been your passion, here's your chance to turn that passion into profit right from Ethiopia. In the past, getting a book published meant navigating through the gates of traditional publishing houses, often reserved for established or celebrity authors. But times have changed, and self-publishing has opened doors for aspiring writers like never before. Platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing have made it easy to publish ebooks worldwide. Your book can reach a global audience, allowing you to earn royalties from sales. To begin, ensure your book is polished and error-free. Explore online services for editing, proofreading, and designing while tracking your ebook's progress. Format your content and create an eye-catching cover that reflects your work's essence. Once your book is ready, upload it on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. With dedication and consistency, your book could be approved within days, offering you the opportunity to earn from your creation. Remember, this isn't just about making money. It's about sharing your story with the world and potentially becoming a renowned author. Take that first step and see where your words can take you. Number 3. Make money by blogging. Blogging isn't just a hobby. It's a gateway to earning a substantial income from your Ethiopian home. Whether you're passionate about fashion, food, tech, or any other niche, blogging offers an avenue for monetization. To start, you'll need a domain name and a reliable web host. Platforms like WordPress or Joomla make it easy to set up your blog, even for beginners. Choosing a topic you're deeply passionate about is crucial because it can lead to substantial financial rewards. Register with advertising platforms like Google AdSense, MediaNet, or Amazon Associates. These platforms pay you based on your blog's quality, SEO, and audience engagement. The key is to be consistent with your content. Regularly posting articles that resonate with your audience can elevate your blog's success. Remember, this is a journey that requires dedication and patience. But with perseverance, your blog could soar and become a lucrative source of income while allowing you to share your expertise with the world. Number 2. Work as a freelancer from home. If you possess skills in design, programming, marketing, or other areas, freelancing can be your ticket to extra income. Freelancing offers flexibility and freedom. You get to set your schedule and choose the projects that align with your expertise. Start by showcasing your skills on platforms like Upwork, Works, or Freelancer. Clients from around the world seek freelance services, providing ample opportunities for those willing to offer their expertise. While freelancing offers autonomy, it can be unpredictable. There's no guaranteed workload or consistent income, especially in the beginning. However, as your reputation grows, so does the potential for more projects and higher earnings. One of the perks is the freedom to decline offers that don't suit your preferences, whether it's due to payment terms or client compatibility. Remember, while freelancing requires self-discipline and adaptability, it also presents a world of opportunities to turn your skills into a thriving online business. Number 1. Online translations. For those gifted with language interpretation and translation skills in Ethiopia, there's a lucrative opportunity awaiting you: online translation. Mastering a language's nuances, customs, and culture can pave the way for a respectable income through translation work. Large companies often seek translators to communicate with foreign counterparts, making your skills invaluable. In the world of online translation work, there's a surging demand for translators, especially for languages like Amharic, Oromo, Tigrinya, and more. Mastering these Ethiopian languages, along with other global languages like English, French, and Arabic, can open doors to lucrative online translation opportunities. You can take the initiative by reaching out to companies directly through emails or in-person visits. Additionally, numerous online platforms offer opportunities for translation work. Sites like Freelancer.com, OneHourTranslation.com, Guru.com, and Upwork.com provide a plethora of translation jobs. Quality and speed are key in the translation business. The better your work, the larger your contracts and paychecks become. Professional translators can earn around $5 per 100 words, potentially reaching thousands of dollars monthly. Thank you for tuning into Top 5 Ethiopia. We've uncovered some incredible ways to make money online right from your home in Ethiopia. Whether it's through YouTube, blogging, freelancing, or translating, the possibilities are endless. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, with dedication and creativity, you can turn your spare time into a flourishing online career. Stay tuned for more exciting insights on our channel. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep making your mark in the online world. See you soon on Top 5 Ethiopia.